Welcome to the PC Assembly Guide. In this video, you will learn how to assemble computer hardware following the correct procedures. We will cover each component and step to ensure you build your computer safely and efficiently. We will walk you through the key steps to install the main components inside a CPU and set up your computer peripherals. Before starting, make sure your workspace is clean and static-free. Use an anti-static wrist strap and ensure you have all the necessary tools like a Phillips screwdriver and the required components. Let's take a closer look at the motherboard layout before installation. Key parts include the CPU socket, RAM slots, M.2 SSD slot, PCIe slots, SATA ports, and power connectors. Start by installing the CPU on the motherboard. Lift the level, align the triangle marker on the CPU with the one on the socket and place the CPU gently and lock it in place by lowering the level. After the CPU is installed, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU surface. Place the heatsink on the top. Secure it with the screws or clips and connect the cooling fan to the CPU fan header on the motherboard. Now, place the assembled motherboard inside the case. Align the standoff with the screw holes and secure it in place using the screw provided. Install the power supply unit into the designated space in the case. Secure it with screws and connect the 24-pin and 8-pin power connectors to the motherboard. Install your M.2 SSD into the designated slot on motherboard. Insert it at an angle. Once it's fully seated, press it down and secure it with the screw provided. Insert the RAM into the slots on the motherboard. Open the clips and align the notch and press firmly until the clips lock in place. Next, install the graphics card. Insert it into the PCIe slot and secure it with screws. Ensure any power connectors required for the GPU are plugged in. After all internal components are installed and connected, close the tower case by securing the side panels with screws. Finally, connect your monitor, keyboard, mouse, and any other peripherals to the appropriate ports. Power on the computer and ensure all components are working properly by entering the BIOS. Congratulations! You have successfully assembled your computer following the correct procedures. Your PC is now ready for software installation and use.